What's up guys, your boy Stan with my unfiltered reviews, and today's video is going to be about watermelon. I want to juice this watermelon here. It's pretty big. As you can see, it's about a good 5 to 8 pounds. It's huge. And what I'm going to be using to do so is my centrifugal juicer. It's brand new. I've gotten it since Christmas and I haven't used it since then. So today we're going to actually unbox it together and showcase how it works. And also my juices are going to feature a few other aspects of them as well. So I'm going to use watermelon juice with beets and also a little splash of honey to make it a little sweet. And I'm going to use another set of watermelon juice with lemonade as well. So I'm going to do watermelon lemonade and obviously beet lemonade. Beet watermelon juice. Sorry, not beet lemonade. So let me get to the video further so I can showcase everything to you guys. Let's go, all right? All right, guys, I actually was able to open the top of the box. Pretty much what comes with it is the instruction manuals and the warranty pamphlet. That's on top of the box itself. Got the foam out and taking the little juicer out right now, as you can see. And I think this is a little brush to clean up after you're done using it, so to speak. So let's go, taking us out, and looks like, okay, this is the very top. Okay, that's how that works. You move the lever down. Okay, take that top off. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a rinse before I use it, of course. And there's quite a lot. Okay, that's the juice box, I guess. Yeah, that's the way the juice goes. But that's definitely not going to be enough. That goes like here also. Yep. And this part right here is where the blade is. All right, so let me actually give it a rinse and get it ready to rock and roll. All right, everyone, I'm gonna start with the beets and then go with the watermelon. So I got my little bit of honey in there. I'm gonna put the beets in. Actually, you can do that right now, as a matter of fact. Yep. And I just put them in. I'm gonna start with the beets now. All right, perfect. So I was able to get a little bit of beet juice in there. Yep, that's it. And it's gonna bring more juice when I bring in the watermelon into the game. So let's go. It's my first time trying this, so bear with me. Alright, making a mess, but it's all good. Putting it in as we go. bit of juice I got right there. I'm about to stash that away and get some more juice in. Don't mind the mess because it's my first time using it, so it's actually pretty good. It's a good machine. Juice is everything. Cutting as we go, so I don't have to make the same mistake I made the first time around. I don't wish the container was bigger, but that's just what I gotta work with right now. Let me figure this out. Boom, boom. Alright, that's practically all the watermelon I had. And that pretty much solved the juicing part of the watermelon and the beets. Let's see what we got going on now. Alright, So it looks like we have quite a mess going on in here. So cleaning this is not going to be fun, I'll tell you that, but nonetheless, the juicing part is very, very interesting and very, very healthy for you. And also, I don't know if you guys saw, but there's seeds in my watermelon. So there's actually great organic seeded watermelon there. You can actually use. It's better for you than the non-seeded ones. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. But as far as this machine is concerned, great little machine. Thumbs up. Wouldn't hesitate to use it again for sure. I'm going to be using it in the future to juice carrots and other vegetables as well that I want to juice. Kiwis and things of that nature. So I'm very happy with it. I'm going to leave the shopping link in the description below, and I'll also put definitely this product in the shopping cart also, so if you guys are interested in getting you guys one, so you guys can get you one. It's definitely a little messier than I envision it being, but it's worth it. It's definitely worth it, because look at how much juice I got from a quarter of a watermelon. So it's actually great. And one beet per se, because I don't really like beet that much. It tastes like dirt, but this hides the taste, and the honey definitely hides the taste and make it taste better. So yeah, for sure it's gonna be beneficial and great for my health instead of buying store-bought juices and things of that nature. The moral to the story is buy stuff that rots. This will go bad after about a good 3-4 days of not using it, and that's what you want. You want to buy stuff that are actually going bad. You don't want to buy stuff that lasts a long time and have a long shelf life. That means they have preservative in them and they're not good for you. So I'm actually turning a new leaf health-wise, going back to my roots, drinking stuff, eating stuff that are actually good for you. So that's why this video came about. Like I said, the shopping cart, the shopping link for this will be in the description below. I give it a thumbs up for sure. It's a little messier than I envisioned, but it's great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe, hype, share with your friends as well. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.